presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 27B Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman package, wheels, 20-inch x 8 inches aluminum chrome clad included, full-size temporary use spare tires, P275/60R20 BSWS, tires, P275/60R20 BSWS, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman SXT package included, bright rear bumper radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display 5.0 touchscreen display Sirius